Dear students, last period I had taken this exercise 2.1. Uh, I had taken here some problems, but these questions here 2x upon 3 is equals to 18. I I had taken there 8. मैंने वहाँ पे 8 लिया था 2x upon 3 is equals to 8 लिया था, but here question is for 18. तो कैलकुलेशन सेम है, सेम कैलकुलेशन इज फॉर हियर, कैलकुलेशन वही है, बट क्वेश्चन लेते समय मैंने 8 किया था, आपको 18 लेके करना है. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट we take the some applications, means word problems related to linear equations in one variables. So this is our exercise, new exercise 2.3. So many word problems are here. Now I am taking this first questions. Our question is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get what is the number. Means first we have to take here the number x. यहाँ हम पहले नंबर वो x लेके चलेंगे, and after that we will get the equations. See here, exercise 2.2, first question. We take here, let the number be x. वो नंबर हम x लेते हैं. So here statement is subtract 1 by 2 from a number. Subtract 1 by 2 from a number means x minus 1 by 2, and here I multiply the result by 1 by 2. Multiply the result means multiply these by 1 by 2, so you get 1 by 8 means is equals to 1 by 8. So for here we open this bracket, means 1 by 2 into x by 2, and here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 8. Now we shift 1 by 4 to right sides, means x by 2 is equals to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. X by 2 is equals to, we can take here LCM or we can do here क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. दोनों मेथड से कर सकते हैं, या तो फिर हम LCM ले सकते हैं या फिर हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं, बट आई एम टेकिंग हियर LCM. Here is 8 and here is 4, so we multiply these numbers by 2. 8 लाने के लिए हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो x by 2 is, you can solve this by cross multiplications. क्रॉस करके भी आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. So now x by 2 is equals to 1 by 8 plus here 1 into 2 2 and 4 2s are 8. X by 2 is equals to here 1 plus 2 upon 8, means x by 2 is equals to 3 by 8. Now we shift 2 to right sides, means 3 by 8 into 2. So 2 1s are 2 4s are. So finally we got here x equals to 3 by 4. Therefore the number is 3 by 4. वो नंबर हमारे लिए 3 by 4 होगा. Now next I am taking question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter and the perimeter of isosceles triangle is 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? See here, question number 3. First I am drawing here a triangle. It is our equilateral triangles. A, B and C. Here is what is the length of either of the remaining equal sides. Equal sides means these two equal sides, AB and AC. So we take here AB x, तो AC will be x. अगर हम AB x लेंगे तो AC भी हमारे लिए x होंगे, because these are equal sides. And here base is 4/3 centimeter. It is given here. So now write, let the length of equal sides of an isosceles triangle be x. Then here base equals to 4/3 centimeter. Perimeter is it is also given. Perimeter is equals to, here is 2/15 centimeter. It is a mixed numbers, so we convert this into improper fractions, means 4 into 15 plus 2 upon 15. Then here 15 fours are 60 plus 2 upon 15, means here 62 upon 15 centimeter. It is of perimeters. Now we have to find here these equal sides, means the value of x. We use here perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle means sum of three sides. Sum of three sides means here two sides are x and the third side is 4/3. Means sum here x plus 4/3. Perimeter, or the value of perimeter is here 62 upon 15 is equals to, here x plus x means 2x plus 4/3. Now we should 4/3 to left sides. And 62 upon 15 minus 4/3 is equals to 2x. We take here LCM, or we can do here cross multiplication. Cross multiplication कर सकते हैं, LCM ले सकते हैं. I am taking here LCM. 62 upon 15. We know that 3 5s are 15. So we multiply these by 5 is equals to 2x. Means 62 upon 15 minus 4 5s are 20 upon 15 is equals to 2x. Then 62 minus 20 upon 15 is equals to 2x. Therefore 2x equals to, here 62 minus 20 means 42 upon 15. So here is 2x equals to 42 upon 15. 42 upon 15 we can divide it by 3. 3 5s are 15. Here 14 3s are 42. Means 2x equals to 14 upon 5. We shift to right side. Means x equals to 14 upon 5 into 1/2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Means x equals to 7/5. So we convert this value in mixed fractions. Means we divide 7/5. 5 1s are 5. And 7 minus 5 means here 2. So value will be x equals to 1 2/5 centimeter. Or right here length of equal sides equals to 1 2/5 centimeter here. This is length of equal sides equals to 1/5 centimeters. It is answer of this. Now so next I am taking here question number 5. This one. two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Here numbers are in ratio 5:3. So we take here question number 5. Let the numbers be 5:3 means we take the numbers 5x and 3x. Here difference is given 18 means इन दोनों का difference 18 है. So 5x minus 3x is equals to 18. 5x minus 3x means 2x equals to 18. Therefore x equals to 18 by 2, and finally we get here x equals to 7. But the numbers are 5x and 3x. No? So 5x is equals to 5 into 7 means 35. Next is 3x equals to 3 into 7 is equals to 21. Means therefore the numbers are 35 and 21. The required numbers are 35 and 21. See here, I have used here conditions because numbers are in the ratio. So I have taken here numbers 5x and 3x. Difference is given here 18. So finally we got here the numbers 35 and 21.